Okay, we're moving on to the retract area here. I got a pair of rebar 710Rs. Will hold up to an 18 pound plane. We'll be installing these here. I've already did the work inside here. I got the tank installed, push bar there. So now all I pretty much just got to do is just run everything through the wings and set the front landing gear, and hopefully I can do it pretty quick to where I can get a little taxi in today. I'm really excited to see how it moves and everything. It's been a hell of a project, but I'm almost done here. Now, as you can see here, I'm dremeling out where the front landing gear is going to be. As you can see, I'm just dremeling so I can get the guideline here. So far, so good. Looks like I'm going to be able to peel the side off there. So we open it up. So as you can see, I got all wood there. This is basically the track line here of where the retract is going to sit. Looks like my line. As you can see, I'm on a pretty good line here where the retract is going to sit. Now I'm going to pull it so I can get my pin. See here, just finished with the taxi. It feels very powerful. I got a few little things to finish up here, so the maiden flight should be coming soon. I haven't really actually hooked up the air retracts. I haven't got 6-cell batteries. I want to run with 6 cells specifically. Even though the 5-cell 3300 Thunder Power batteries, they feel really powerful. This plane is not going to have no problem taking off. I can feel it. That's pretty much it. So look for the maiden flight soon. It was an easy build, and I love twin jets. Get yours at nitroplanes.com.